Hey everybody, I'm going to share with you a little tip I learned on how to poach an egg in the microwave. I have 4 ounces of water in a bowl, this bowl, and I'm going to put my egg in the bowl, put it in the microwave, and I'm going to cook it on 55 seconds. Okay, 55 seconds is done. Bring it out. Microwave. See? And I like to get some of the water off of there, so I'm going to, off of the egg. Let's see if I can show it to you. There's the egg. As I slide it onto my toast. Less water. I'm going to try to do it without breaking the yolk. Okay. There's my nicely poached egg, still very runny. Going to add a little pepper, little salt, little bit of smoked paprika. And bust that yolk. I've toasted a piece of French bread, nice and crusty, and that's good. There you have it. Nicely poached egg in the microwave. I saw this technique on YouTube. I believe the guy's channel is called Bake Like a Pro. And I want to give a shout out and a thanks to him because this is awesome. Quick, easy, delicious food. Thanks for watching, guys.